Hi, it's Lisa Gifford, and this is another Martelli Minute. Let's take a look at the Martelli neck pillow template. As with all Martelli templates, they all have a browning fabric called our Get a Grip material that's on the back of all of our templates. So when you set it down on your fabric, it grips and holds. This particular template has a fold line, so you're going to set this on the fold, and then you're going to cut all the way around with your 28mm rotary cutter. Put right sides together, leave an opening, sew all the way around, and then flip it out and stuff it. Great project that you could use with pre-quilted, flannel, regular cotton, or minky. I have full written instructions on the website. Go now and pick up your neck pillow template at martellinotions.com.